Hello people, Simon is speaking. Today I wanted to show you how to save a project when you start working on a new project. Because it's not the same what you used to do in Maya or 3ds Max or Blender. It is a little bit different. First of all, I just will try to save. I will try to create something extrude along the normals before I will go further. Okay, for example, you created something interesting what you try to save, for example, a new model, and keep in mind that if you try to save it, it will not work. Save as. Even if you select this option, or it depends, because actually I was able to save what I have got. If you try to save it somewhere else, for example, the new location, because program will probably refuse it. Invalid project. Select a valid project location. What you're supposed to do? Because you have to tell the program where to save it. You have to tell the program file, new project. You have to create project. Project has to be inside a folder. Okay. Now after creating new empty folder, it's not part of your project list. You want to add it. The program is asking. Now you can save the project. Oh, wait a minute. Is it located exactly? Is it located over there? Okay, I have to put to proper localization. We created our folder. Oh, wait a minute. Why this doesn't work? Oh, okay, I will check this option. Because you have to use also project manager, I believe. Okay, we open up this. I forgot to turn this on. Wireframe on shaded. I will do some of the modifications. Global level. we made some changes. Okay, I also will bevel edges here. Application has some additional settings. I like this option, uniform scaling, but I'm just trying to modify project, and after that I can save it. Save as. You can have more than one scene. Level test 01. Sorry people back, I didn't show you right away. Okay, new scene. You can open up the scene, but make sure you use the project manager, because without project manager, application doesn't really know where to save a project. I already have separate catalog. It's called the default. I probably added too many folders. We have our scene bevel. You can, when you render, this will be saved in folder called render pictures. For example, I can render path options. It should show you path where this will be saved. Okay, we will quickly add light. Cycles background, because I have render plugin which allows me to render and render remake. That one I need to parent to our scene, to our object. Okay, we parented light the cycles background because I want to render the scene and in 2K resolution to show you something. Output formats, save custom. Okay, and I will quickly go to the scene, render scene option, because we want to render our one scene. I just have to check something. To render options, some link. I will set to 77 performance. I will leave as it is denoise, open image denoise options, and I use the graphics card to render the scene. In option film, I unchecked transparent, and film exposure, so I can render sky. Oh, I forgot to add sky texture. Where did I find this? Okay. Oh, I don't see review because we have to go to review. Okay, I will quickly save this scene. You can also save another thing, Sky. Copy only files under current project. Sky texture. I will quickly check how this works. Okay, we are rendering our project. It didn't take too long, but I forgot to adjust brightness, strength of light. But if you want to say another file, you have to change the name of render. I will show you. Oh no, it is little bit too bright. Oh no, it is little bit too bright. That's fine because it shouldn't be too bright. Now we will check our projects. You can see I render the project, but I will zoom in a little bit and I will quickly change some settings. Render options. I will decrease exposure a little bit. That's funny because I can't see sky texture. Oh yes, it is visible. But okay, I showed you how to save the scene, and I used the cycles render plugin. So you can take advantage of this application in 2024 because you can still do amazing things in this application. But in this video tutorial was showing you how to save a new scene into new project, because project manager is the most important when you use this application.